Welcome, fellow seekers of cosmic wisdom, to a journey that transcends the ordinary and opens your eyes to the extraordinary. Inspired by the profound teachings of Dolores Cannon, we are about to unravel the hidden messages that flutter, crawl, and scuttle into our lives in the form of insects. Have you ever wondered if the presence of these tiny beings in your home is more than just a mere coincidence? In a universe where science and spirituality dance hand in hand, where quantum physics meets the divine scriptures, we find a tapestry of interconnected truths waiting to be unveiled. Today, we embark on an exploration of the spiritual symbolism that insects carry, decoding the whispers of the universe and unraveling the sacred wisdom concealed in the humble bugs that share our living spaces. Prepare to witness the convergence of quantum theory and ancient scriptures as we delve into the profound insights inspired by Dolores Cannon's teachings. Join me on this extraordinary journey of self-discovery, where the tiniest creatures become messengers from the cosmic intelligence, guiding us towards a life filled with love, joy, and abundance. So, open your heart, sharpen your senses, and let's uncover the spiritual symbolism of insects, revealing the divine design that propels us toward our highest calling. Welcome to a realm where even the smallest beings carry profound messages, a realm where science and spirituality unite to shape our reality. Are you ready to perceive the sacred wisdom hidden in the flutter of wings and the delicate dance of feet? Let the cosmic exploration begin. Have you ever considered that the presence of insects in your home might hold a significant meaning for you? Nothing in this world is coincidental. Everything occurs for a reason, following the principles of cause and effect. In life, there's always something meaningful for you in every occurrence. Specifically, insects are perceived as messengers from a higher power, be it God, the universe, or any term you prefer. Science and religion surprisingly converge on the same truths about our interconnectedness. Quantum physics unravels the subatomic level, revealing that everything is energy vibrating at different frequencies. Simultaneously, the Bible speaks of the kingdom of heaven surrounding us. We just need eyes to see and ears to hear. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check a link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Divine wisdom constantly unfolds through signs and synchronicities, guiding us towards alignment with our highest self. Unfortunately, amidst the business of life, we often overlook these hidden messages, preventing us from experiencing heaven on earth. What if I told you that the unexpected appearance of insects in your home is a way creation supports you in tuning into the cosmic intelligence? Ants, moths, beetles, crickets. Each little creature holds a message from the universe, providing a direct download on how to create more love, joy, and abundance. Confirming quantum theory, which suggests that consciousness shapes our reality, the Bible also urges us to have eyes that see and ears that hear. When humble insects manifest as spirit messengers, it's an opportunity to witness the invisible connections tying us to the whole and to perceive divine design propelling us towards manifesting our highest calling. Prepare to have your eyes opened to the sacred wisdom and blessings contained in these humble bugs as we delve into the spiritual symbolism of various insects. Remember, science confirms that we exist in an interconnected field of energy. What appears as solid matter is, at its fundamental level, 99.99% empty space. At this quantum level, we, along with the tiniest ant or cockroach, are electric impulses dancing within the same field of consciousness. The Bible echoes this oneness, stating that the kingdom of God is within you, emphasizing that the divine dwells in the temple of our soul. Let's explore a few insect messengers and what they reveal about the kingdom within. Bees, through pollinating flowers, remind us of the immense power of focus and intentionality. They, often overlooked, sustain life on Earth through their collective work. Did you know that when a single bee enters your home without a hive nearby, it's a validation from spirit that your visions, intentions, and purpose are blossoming, spreading seeds that will bear sweet fruits? Spiders, on the other hand, symbolize situations of pain, anguish, and discomfort in your life. They feed on low vibrational energies, trapping prey in their webs and injecting a venomous enzyme to digest the insect from the inside. Energetically, their unexpected presence may be a warning from the universe that energy vampires are present, negative thought patterns or toxic relationships draining your life force. Shift your perspective, cultivate light, joy, and self-love to reclaim your power. Ants represent community, diligent effort, and teamwork. Black ants crawling on you symbolize appreciation for your hard work, validating your path. However, red ants serve as an urgent warning, signifying impending danger or violence. The divine message urges you to practice awareness, caution, avoid knee-jerk reactions, and patiently await clarity. Ladybugs, universally beloved, signify good luck, fortune, and protection. Their bright red shells with black polka dots resemble the life-giving sun. When a ladybug graces you by landing on your hand, recognize it as a moment of blessing from the Great Spirit. Ladybugs remind us that we are deeply supported by invisible hands and wrapped in an indestructible cloak of power beyond our own. They invite us to open to prosperity, joy, and well-being flowing freely from the divine cosmic reservoir that is our birthright. A single ladybug carries an uplifting message, but spotting a pair indicates double blessings and abundance. Legends promise that finding 7 ladybugs clustered together ensures wishes coming true, and a swarm promises a miracle is imminent. Regardless of the number, the central meaning remains: you are safe, surrounded by angels and ancestors. As you stroll through life, may you find yourself accompanied by the gentle flow of good fortune, ever streaming endlessly. Our cheers resonate for your boldest dreams, echoing through the cosmic orchestra of existence. Do you perceive the subtle wink and smile from the universe, expressed through this humble little beetle? Even the chirping of crickets carries tidings of comfort and support from those who've crossed over, reminding you that ancestral spirits and inner guides stand by your side, assuring, loving, and encouraging you to follow the whispers of your heart. And when an unexpected lizard scuttles across your living space, it's a moment to pause and take notice. Though not an insect, its presence may signal whispers of duplicity or gossip swirling around you. These creatures serve as messengers, urging discernment and urging you to respond with truth and grace. Those pesky flies that seem to descend out of nowhere. They symbolize times when your energy wanes, signaling a need to cleanse and recharge your inner being from the burdens of stress and overthinking. Cockroaches, often reviled, embody a remarkable resilience that spans epochs, surviving and even thriving through cataclysms. Perhaps their presence invites you to explore your own resilience, urging you to transcend limitations and embrace change with courage and adaptability. The appearance of a yellow butterfly carries the weight of divine affirmation, signaling approval for your aspirations and decisions. Let its presence embolden you, knowing that you're guided by the sweet whispers of the universe. Giant moths, with their ethereal presence, herald massive change on the horizon. Embrace this transformation, for it promises to dissolve old ways of thinking and usher in a new era of growth and enlightenment. In every creature, in every flutter of wings or scuttle of feet, there lies a message waiting to be heard. So pay attention, for these beings are the hands of heaven guiding you toward your highest path. May you walk with the assurance that angels come in myriad forms, each offering blessings and guidance as you bravely shape your own heaven on earth. As we conclude this exploration into the spiritual significance of the insects that grace our homes, let us remember that every encounter holds a deeper meaning, a message from the universe guiding us along our journey. Whether it be the gentle buzz of a bee or the delicate flutter of a butterfly, each visitor carries with it a divine purpose, a whisper from the cosmos urging us to awaken to the magic that surrounds us. So, my friend, as you go about your days, may you keep your senses attuned to the subtle symphony of nature, for within it lies the keys to unlocking your highest potential. And as you navigate the twists and turns of life's journey, may you find solace in the knowledge that you are never alone, for the angels walk beside you, their blessings lighting your path. Embrace the wisdom of the insects, for in their humble presence lies the wisdom of the ages. And remember, you are a co-creator of your reality, weaving your dreams into existence with every thought, every intention. So let us walk gently upon this earth, guided by the wisdom of the insects, as we courageously create heaven on earth, right where we stand. And if you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.